Faraday is up 20% on the week after prices bottomed out roughly around $4 and closed the week at $5. So is this a bottom or just a short-term bottom? According to the weekly chart, price is still in this leg down phase, but this week we had an indecision candle, which means that price can break out in either direction next week. So what's all the fuss? In the local bottom and closing the week 20% higher. Let's check out this article. It is coming from Investor Place. Is Faraday Future stock the next giant short squeeze? So stock was up more than 10% on Friday. Folks are wondering, is a short squeeze about to play out? The EV maker announced that the FF developer co-creation officer, Calvin Sherman, would take delivery of his FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance at the company's 919 Developers AI Co-Creation Festival next week. Faraday Future also announced several co-creation events, including the Delivery Co-Creation Day and Developer Track Co-Creation Day. All right, so they're getting a little bit of buzz around the name based on events that they are hosting. In the past few days, Faraday has made a variety of other announcements, such as delivering the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance to Jason Oppenheim, as well as the vehicle setting a new class lap record at Buttonwillow Raceway Park. Now, Faraday stock carries a short interest as a percent of the float of 23% as of the end of August. Generally, anything over 10% is viewed higher. If you get 20%, then you're really talking 30%, and it's kind of like game over. Expect a spike in price. The number of Faraday shares sold short would take, at this point, 2.5 days to fully recover. Which means that if you start seeing a pump, that pump is not going to stop for a couple of days. Now, here's something interesting when it comes to the cost to borrow the shares in order to short it. Fees tallies in at about 10%, which is higher than the standard range of 0.3 to 3%. So that's pretty high. That tells you that the shorts really want to short the stock. The fees had risen compared to when it was 6.82% at the beginning of the month. A higher CPB fee indicates high short seller demand, while a low fee indicates the opposite. Alright, so this has all the makings of a short squeeze. Kind of going back to the charts. Going back to the daily chart. Now, I have a dollar target. However, with this potential short squeeze in play, you can see how price hit the 13 simple moving average and then closed lower on the day. But this could be the making of a potential rally, base, and then rally. So let's see if next week we get a green extended candle. Why not put two? Let's see if price can pump to, let's say, $8 next week. You do have some selling pressure right above the $8 level based on this rejection wick. Let's put that a different color. So formation projecting outward. If a short squeeze is in play, you can see the volume candles are kicking in, right? Got the rally on high volume, a basing candle, on high volume, and potentially that volume, I anticipate that volume remaining high this week coming. You could see a pump in price, potentially a retest before hitting the $8 target. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.